guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is pupunta kami ngayon sa farm kasama ng buong family. So excited na kaming lahat. Si Kero, are you excited kuya? Kero, oh no, he's sleeping. Kero is sleeping and I think Kai is sleeping too. So ayan, tulog po sila. Kikita niya sa camera. Dalawa silang bagsak. So yung farm is, I think it's almost an hour away, pero 30 minutes na lang kami. So nasa highway na kami. After that, I'll show you around. Pero magla-lunch muna kami doon sa cafe nila. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Guys, so we're almost there, 17 minutes away, pero I think it's gonna be a little bit traffic dito sa dinaanan namin. Kung makikita nyo, medyo slow yung mga kotse, hindi masyadong mabilis. Madaming pupunta, I think madaming pupunta sa farm, but anyways, we are 17 minutes away. I'm very excited kasi first time ko pumunta sa farm. What do you think about the farm, love?
Ano ba? Maganda experience sa mga bata. Yung hands-on experience sila magpakain ng animals.
Yeah.
Mag-milk ng cow.
Yun, hindi ko pa nagawa mag-milk ng cow ever.
Si Kero na try na.
Si Kero na try na, si Kai I'm pretty sure na hindi niya pa maintindihan yan, pero matutuwa naman yun kahit paano.
Curious yun.
Curious baby yun eh. So ayan. Malapit na tayo. Okay, we are here in the farm. Yan, so siniset up nila yung pram ng mga kids.
Sa labas.
Ito.
First time namin gamitin kaya tinuturo pa ni Dede. Yes! Where was it? Ito, hindi na na-extend.
Extend here. Ito matigas to, so very stable siya. So, sabi nung nagbenta niya, lagi niya daw dinadala yung dalawang anak niya dati kasi nakatira siya Hornsby yata. And then nag-train lang siya, nag-metro siya papuntang city, sila lang ng dalawang anak niya. Ginaganito niya lang daw to. Pag kunyari may hump, kaganunin niya.
Ay, angat na. I think si Kero hindi naman. Kasi tulog kasi.
I think pag
Kailangan pa men? Or dito siya?
Saan?
Gising na si Kero eh.
sa ilalim.
Pero just in case, kung malayo yung lakad.
Okay.
Makaharap din.
Oo. Ano na lang muna. Yung isa ba na to?
Kailangan natin i-lock or something?
Oo, ilalak ka.
Or hindi siya nakaano? Or ito yung pangtaas?
Wala tong walang handle.
Hindi, nalilipat yung handle.
Ah!
Kasi may isang seat dyan na pang taas lang, may isang pang baba. So, ito siya.
Tatanggalin
Try
pala.
ko muna ito sa taas. Dito siya sa taas. Same size siya, pero... Ay, teka.
Siniset up nila yung pram. Check natin yung kids. Ay, gising na si Kai.
I-fold mo muna.
Goody afternoon, Kai. You're awake.
Ito sa bag na purple.
They're gonna set up the farm na farm, ha? We're here sa farm na. Kuya! We're here sa farm na, kuya. We're gonna feed the cow. And feed the goats. Are you excited? Yeah? Fix your snake hat, kuya. Nakatagilid yung snake hat mo. Kai, gutom na yan. Are you hungry? Huh? Where's your hat? Where did you put your hat? Kuya, where's Kai's hat? You don't know? Kakagising lang ni Kero. So nandito na kami sa nandito na kami sa farm. So Napaka-init. Sobrang init. Nasa 35 degrees ata. Tapos kailangan namin mag-sunscreen. Don't forget your sunscreen. Don't forget your sunscreen. Okay.
Kuy.
Sunscreen time muna.
Kaya,
Kuya, your turn muna.
What's this?
Face. Properly. Ano nangyari sa kamay mo, kuya? Ha?
It's not feeling well.
It's not feeling well?
No.
Puro clay yan eh.
That's because
Play-Doh yan.
Clay do yan, it's not feeling well ka dyan.
I will put it in my eyes.
How about Kai Kai? Pengi ako konti. Laki ko si Kero. Kuya, parang
Yan mo.
ano ng suot mo, presko ha.
Kaya nga.
Kasi puti, maluwag. Did you put, I think I need a little bit more sa leg niya. Kuya, bow a little bit. Yan. Don't forget to wear your snake hat, ha? Hawak-hawak mo yung snake hat mo.
Pwede ko. Arm mo, arm.
And arm. Yay. Another arm, please. Ito. Ayan.
Oh, it was in the shade.
Grabe, sobrang init sa labas.
Batok.
Batok, kailangan sa batok.
Yun po.
Nandito ako sa restaurant ng farm. So ayan yung menu nila, same sa pinakita ko kanina. Coffee, my hot chips, kids corners, burgers, wraps, and may bacon and egg. Tapos meron silang mga chips dito. Tapos yung mga ice cream, lahat kompleto. Drumstick, ito, Milo. So, kompleto sila. Cadbury, Connoisseur. Ito yung masarap, yung Connoisseur. Connoisseur, not the mint cookie. Ito. Salted caramel and macadamia. Yan yung masarap na, ano nila, masarap na ice cream. Connoisseur, the best. Yun yung order namin. Tapos juice.
A little bit, please.
Here, kay mami. Beside mami. Is this Mimi? Mimi's?
Oh, ubos yung Powerade. May...
Move pa, move pa.
Move ba, kuya?
Dali sa ito?
Yes.
Ano yan?
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Ano sa'yo?
Burger.
Burger? Oh, pero over here.
Yes, that's yours.
Barbecue sauce.
Sulog si kayo dito.
Yummy.
Chicken nugget.
Ha? Ayan na, oh. Ay, ito ata yung ginamit nila, no?
Fresh.
Fresh, no? Fresh chicken.
Asan yung wipes, lab?
Ha?
Para
Nandyan sa bag.
makapagpupunas tayo.
Diyan nata sa bag. Meron din nandyan. Meron.
Hindi ka nagpupunas ng kanya.
Hindi naman siya naghawak ng bird, di ba?
Ng bird?
Hindi ng bird nandun.
Hindi naman.
Yung peacock.
Sino?
Si Kero. Yung bird nandun, no? Yung blue. Yung peacock.
Mommy, that was really funny.
Para nakaside sa atin. Or dito sa likod, para nakatalikod sa inyo.
Yeah, I need to have a...
Uy, parang di akin po.
Hindi pa kami nagbubukas. Kuya, ay sabi ko, nasasabihin ko pa lang.
Ano nangyari?
Catch up na siya sa damit.
Ano? Kuya.
The sign.
Manang-mana sa datay na to. Lagi may ano, proof ng kumain siya.
Ano po na pala ni Kai?
Pag naiinit
Eczema ata. No.
Paano naman nakatapak ka sa taas ng pan?
So may eczema si Kai Kai Lab?
baka nga.
Parang nga eh.
Ngayon ata yan.
I think that's just down here.
I got this. You got
Lagi may fresh fruits na cut. So watermelon, favorite at saka orange.
Kalahating banana.
Yung orange, ang lakas na sa orange.
Yung banana.
What about for like lunch and stuff? What does he eat?
Pasa o kaya couscous.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Niluluto ni Chef?
I got.
Niluluto ni Chef?
Yeah. Look at that. Wow! Huh? She said chicken kai kai. Dinalo na tubig.
Ano natin, next
What?
Okay. Magkakatabi naman yan lahat. So, malaki yung mga bacteria.
What's that? Look, Kuya, there's a lot. There's a lot of cute. Like, look at this. Look, baby goat. Is he? Ayan.
Here. So, put your hand up. Put your hand up there. Okay, open like this, Kuya, to the goats. I hold it.
They won't eat.
She doesn't want any. Only they want some. Here.
They're too eat. I want
Here, feed them.
this. I want this goat.
You want this goat? Look, he's so cute. He jumped.
More?
Give me more.
Please.
I want more.
What do you say? Say please? Okay. Feed them.
Kuya, behind you. Behind you.
Kuya, here. Kuya, here. Give me a hand.
Can I give more?
Yeah, yeah.
More. Can I give more?
Please. Wow, good job, guys.
More for me.
They're hungry.
They're so hungry when here.
They're so hungry.
Like feeding them?
Wow, they love this.
Here, go. Here. Wow, good. Get some from my...
More, please.
There.
More, Dada.
This guy's got
Please. Kaya nga, katakot.
me.
Good job.
Open your hand like that. Good job.
So funny.
Give me more.
Yeah, yeah. Open your hand. Here, Mimi.
Open your hand, Kuya. See?
He ate the box. Can you feed the sheep?
Me?
Yeah.
No, you only.
Mimi, here. Open your hand.
Open your hand, Kuya.
Yes, he's eating a lot.
I know.
Gosh.
Daddy. The other goat. I want to get the other goat.
Mimi,
Okay,
here.
you go there.
Almost out of food.
Oh, careful. Oh, careful.
No, you wash it again.
Wash it again on this side.
Press, Kuya, press.
Girl like this. Girl like this. Like that. Okay, no. Go like, look. Yeah.
Look,
Go like
watch
this.
Kuya.
Go like this. That's it. Yeah.
That's it.
Grab a hold.
Good job, Kuya.
Do it by yourself.
Oh, one
now.
more, one more.
Squeeze, go. You start at the top. Start right at the top. And
Press the dodo.
go down.
No. Oh, wash your hand. No, it's okay.
Enough na rin.
Oh, he doesn't like it. She doesn't like it.
Wow. Some more milk.
Slide down. Slide. Ooh. Oh. Slide. Big. Isn't it painful for them? There's no pulling, it's sliding.
That milk, there's still bacteria in the milk, okay?
Sorry?
There's still bacteria in the milk.
Yeah.
Chicken's over here.
Where?
Here, look at all the baby chicken. A baby chicken.
Oh, that's a baby chicken over there.
Oh no, where's the other one? They ate it.
There? No, they didn't eat the chicken, Kuya.
No, they ate the other one.
Where?
Where's it?
Over there. The chicken? Anong pawis niyong dalawa? Ay, oh, like, oh, ballet. Alright guys, so parang inikot na namin lahat nung sa buong farm. At so maraming nakita namin, ano ba yun? Sheep, may mga snake, nagpadudo sila ng cow. Ano pa, yung malaking baboy, yun yung pinaka the best ever. First time ko nakakita ng malaking baboy. Tapos ayun, pinapalabas na nila yung cow. So hindi nila kinukulong palagi yung cow dito sa farm. Alright guys, tapos ang nakakagulat at nakakatakot is that may nakasulat dito na beware of venomous snake sa buong farm daw. So kung pupunta kayo dito, mag-ingat-ingat kayo. So I think we're all done. So nag-enjoy yung mga kids sa mga mga activities ngayon, at lalo na yung mga pinapakain nilang mga animals. Then yeah, ayun. So I think it's gonna be good experience sa kanila, tapos good experience din sa akin. So ayan guys. So sana don't forget to subscribe sa channel namin, at kung nagustuhan nyo, mag-leave din kayo ng like at comment. Thank you guys. I'll see you. Bye bye.